Good morning, friends. It's a beautiful day here in Southeast Texas. The sun is shining, the birds are chirping, and the squirrels are chasing each other up and down the trees. It is the perfect day, in fact, to get out and see what treasures my local thrift stores have to offer. I am going to look most specifically for a teacup and saucer that I can turn into a charming little bird feeder. I first saw the idea on Pinterest and thought it was the sweetest thing ever. But first, I'm going to relax with a hot cup of coffee and then do a couple of small tasks around the house. These beautiful people are my maternal grandparents. They met while they were serving in the Army during World War II. These portraits hung side by side in their hallway for as long as I can remember, and now they will be reunited on the wall in our home. If you watched last week's video, you know that I recently made a trip to our storage building that is nearly 6 hours away. Along with picking up our beloved rocking chairs and these portraits of my grandparents, I also packed up a few of my grandma's books from her teenage and young adult years. A couple of them even have inscriptions that show that they were gifts from her siblings. Isn't that sweet? I am so excited to be able to display these in our home. As soon as I got home, I couldn't wait to get started on making the bird feeder. I was originally looking for a matching teacup and saucer, but it soon became clear that that was not in the cards for today. However, I think it will be all the more charming because they don't match. I honestly couldn't be happier with the ones that I found and the price that I paid. The teacups were $2.99 for a set of 4, and the saucer was $2.99. I think I may even try to make candles with the remaining 3. I'll keep you posted. And with Mother's Day fast approaching, I think that this would make the sweetest gift too. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. This one was so much fun for me to put together, and I think that the little teacup bird feeder turned out so charming. I think it's so precious, and I can't wait to see if the birds are drawn to it. I sure hope they are. I would love to know in the comments what kind of craft DIY projects you guys do in your own gardens and outdoors. I am looking to do all kinds of things this spring and summer season, so let me know in the comments. Until next time, guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, do all the YouTube things that really help this channel grow. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.